Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech of the Week. This is a teardown of the M1 iPad Pro. You can see the new XDR display with its mini LEDs. It looks neat. During its sixth flight, NASA's Mars drone Ingenuity lost control mid-air caused by a glitch that interfered with its ability to adjust its flight. It started moving in different directions. Despite this, Ingenuity was able to regain control and land safely close to its landing zone. NVIDIA released its new RTX 3080 Ti on June 3rd. It features 12GB of GDDR6X VRAM and 10,240 CUDA cores, boasting 1.5 times more performance than the RTX 2080 Ti. It costs $1,199. Unfortunately, it sold out immediately after release. However, you do have another chance at a new GPU. On June 10th, NVIDIA will release the RTX 3070 Ti that is claimed to perform 1.5 times better than the RTX 2070 Super for $599. Try your best not to miss out on this one. The American Heart Association found that the MagSafe magnet of the iPhone 12 Pro Max specifically can impact those with heart pacemaker devices. The magnet can change the rate of the medical implant and inhibit its effectiveness, harming the patient. If you have an iPhone 12 and an implanted pacemaker or anything similar, check out the article in the description. This is the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra. It features the Snapdragon 888 processor, a 144Hz display, a big camera system, and a large 4600 mAh battery. Unfortunately, the screen is 1080p. However, with all these features, that might be negligible. A study published by Nature Communication found that ultra-high-density hard disk drives, or HDDs, with graphene can store far more data than our current state-of-the-art options. According to the researchers, the increase is up to 10 times as much storage density. This is a 3D printed water pump. Designed by Connor Benson, it is made to be attached to a 2-liter soda bottle and a drill. Check out this incredible video linked down in the description. For the rumor of the week, on June 3rd, a French retailer displayed the Nintendo Switch Pro. It could feature an OLED screen for €399 or about $486. Here's hoping for better performance too. Lastly, Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference, or WWDC 2021, is scheduled for June 7th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It is assumed that the next iOS and macOS updates will be announced, along with other things such as new features for M1. Thanks for watching. If you'd like any tech covered, contact me via this email. All the sources are linked down below, and check out the other cool videos that I have in the description. Have a wonderful day.